Lowers this liquidity here. Obviously, if price inverts this fair value gap right here, this SIBI, you can probably look for it to go up there. But it's going to need to disrespect this bearish order block, this up close, down, back to it. It's going to need to disrespect that at least the halfway point. And if it inverts this SIBI, it will be. See, that's like the gem right there. In terms of like, and price is fractal, so this is same. Like we're looking at like a 4 hour chart, I think, but this is the same thing on like a 1 minute chart. Like when it come to my entries and when it come to like just like all that stuff right there, look at the two birds, one stone. And this was from like last year, year before, like back in that type of bag, like two birds, one stone. Like we got the bearish order block. If the CE of that don't hold, and this bearish fair value gap in a premium from high to low, y'all see that's above the 50 halfway point. If both of those don't hold, put the house on it. We going here. And that's what your mindset got to be like when it come to like getting in y'all entries or re-entry, especially re-entry. I'll do that right there. Let's talk re-entry real quick. This is a gem I'm about to give y'all because people be trying to figure out like how I know when to re-entry and da 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 da, and why I'm not scared of getting stop hunting and getting back in. It's because of this. Like, let's say I'm trying to go long right here on this fair value gap the first time, right? Really pay attention to this. Let's say I'm trying to go long. This come back here. I'm going long right here. I'm trying to get up there. Boom. Price pull back and stop me out. Okay. How do I know when to re-enter and stick with my buyers? Okay. If price stopped me out on this long, trying to go up here, if it stopped me out with this move, then either two things are true. One of two things are true. This was a stop hunt to continue to go higher, or price is reversing and this is just bearish. I was wrong, right? I bought the top. If this is truly bearish, you always got to ask yourself, is it truly that, or if is it manipulation? If this is truly bearish, right, this fair value gap going to hold, it's going to continue to hold, and it's going to staircase down. You're going to have bearish order flow. So like little bullish bearish order block there, going to hold. This is going to hold, right? This IFEG right here, this one, once we, how we went down, you see how I went back up through it? If it's truly bearish, that's probably not happening. We're probably going to keep order flowing down. Boom. This will become a breaker. Boom. Then this is the buy side of curve. This becomes sell side of curve, at least to the halfway point. So I would be looking for a PD array halfway point. Boom. There's one there. Swing low in discount. There's another one. Fair value gap in discount. Order block in discount. So and when it comes to re-entering a trade, if this is truly bearish, it'll hold. If it's not truly bearish, then these bearish PD arrays, especially because we in a premium. Look, swing low, swing high. These bearish PD arrays should hold if we're truly bearish. So boom, if that don't hold right there, and this don't hold, the CE of it, I'm getting back in the trade and I'm looking to go with momentum there. And this is the pro tip right here I'm about to drop. If it's SMT down here and these don't hold, bruh, what y'all think I be doing? Like, how y'all think I be getting back in? Like, that's how, bro. That's how I be knowing where SMT at, because if this is all manipulation, this run down, then I already expect SMT in areas like this. That's the gem when it comes to SMT. Like, that's why I be telling people you should already know and expect where it's going to be at, because it's manipulation. So where are the areas that price will manipulate? Okay, in key levels. Like if it's going to go higher, it needs to go down first, right? So it can create, like, every seller need a buyer. Conspiracy, like if we going to create some type of to give people, we need to create a reason to give it to them, right? Like it's the same thing. It's all the same shit. So boom. Not to diss COVID, anybody who's took the shot, but I'm just saying, like, if this is manipulation, then these not gonna hold, and I'm back in that thing with pure confidence going there. And if it hit me again, then I'll probably sit back and be like, okay, let me chill because I ain't trying to get a blender. Let me see if it want to keep doing that, right? If it want to, or if it want to truly be bearish, then okay, if we truly bearish up here and this is holding, now I might need to reverse and find a little pocket to the halfway point. That way, you don't even have to be right. If you sell here and it come down to the halfway point and you just get out of there, this can go back higher and it don't even matter because you out the house already with money in your pocket. So that's how I be getting back in trades, how I re-enter trades and stuff. And I promise you, if you work on that, like work on that mindset, it's not even like, of course, it's to do with the charts, but it's more sort of mentality. Like, okay, if this is really bearish, then this should be holding. And if it don't, then I know I'm sticking with my bias.